Hey, what's up, guys? Here, Ryan Rig, Fast Electronic Loud. We always bring it to you Fast Electronic and, of course, Loud. Maybe you were lucky enough and you picked yourself up an Xbox One, or maybe you received a new Xbox One for Christmas. Maybe you've got all the cables connected, you're ready to turn on the Xbox One. You're kind of sitting down, you got your controller in hand. So, what we're going to do here is walk you through an on screen tutorial how to get your brand new Xbox One set up. That is correct. We're going to go through all the on screen instructions to get that set up, get you dialed in so you'll be ready to play and get some of your favorite games downloaded. So let's grab our controller there. We'll go ahead and press the A button. The first selection we're greeted with is your language. So depending on what language you would like your Xbox One to be in, select that. I'm going to select English here. So I have already connected an Ethernet cable. That's going to make it easiest. If you don't have that luxury and you're using Wi-Fi, you would go through the instructions there for the wireless. Now, the next section you're going to come up to is where do you live? This is going to be your country specific. I've selected the United States. Depending on your console, this is a brand new Xbox One 1 terabyte holiday bundle. There's probably going to be an update, so you're going to want to get that first update installed, and depending on the speed of your connection from your internet provider is really going to dictate how fast this update process goes. Now, we're not going to make you sit through this entire process, but this first update on this console was about 6 minutes. So once the update has installed, the console is going to restart. So don't panic or anything if your screen goes black. That is normal during the process. So now it is going to apply that update that it spent the time downloading. Through the power of video editing, we're going to speed that up for you. Now that's going to take a few minutes depending on the size of the update, which update was required. Nonetheless, give yourself about 8 to 10 minutes for that entire process to take place. Now, you will see a few black screens during the process. That is no worries. That's typical during the installation and update progress. So once that update's installed, next selection, we're going to choose our time zone. Now this is, again, depending on where you live. So we're going to search here for Central Time here. We're located in Illinois and United States, so we're going to look for something that resembles Central Time. So we're going to go ahead and scroll up or down, and like I said, depending on where you're at will dictate that. So we're going to select Central Time, and we'll allow the automatic adjustment for daylight savings. Now, the next option we're greeted with, there's going to be two power options for your Xbox One. They make it real easy and convenient to kind of decide for yourself what you want. Now, there is an energy saving, which is going to be a slower startup time, or there's an instant on, which is going to give you a faster startup time. So if you're not concerned about your Xbox booting up so quickly and you want to save power and save on your electric bill, you could select energy savings. Or if you're more interested in having that thing ready to go as soon as you click it on, you can select instant on. Me personally, I don't see that it uses a whole lot of power in my particular situation. I'm ready to play when I'm ready to play, so I'm going to select instant on. Next, you're going to want to sign in with your Microsoft account. Now, if you don't have a gamer tag, you're new to the Xbox experience, you can just use your email and password you already have for Skype or Windows 8 or your Windows phone. And if you don't, you can just create a new one, and you're going to input that information in here. So the first screen we're going to get prompted with, we're going to want to enter our Microsoft account information. So if you already have a Microsoft account, Xbox or Outlook, use that email, or you can get a new account, select that right here. So we're going to go ahead and sign in. I'm going to use my existing account that I already have, but if you needed to get a new account, you have that option as well. Now, the next thing, you're going to want to enter your password. We'll go ahead and enter the password, and it's going to prompt us and go to the next screen. There is a privacy statement available. You're just going to want to click next to get past this privacy kind of information. The next step here is your sign in and security preferences. Now, depending on if you have children or maybe roommates or other people in your house, you need your console more secure, you may want to select the ask for my passkey or completely lock it down. You can see there, depending on your selection. Me personally, I don't have to worry about someone else using it, so I'm going to select the no barriers. It'll just allow my purchases and downloads a little bit quicker. Now, another option, you want to sign in instantly. If you're the only one going to play this, you can automatically sign in. So I'm going to select that. That way, when you turn on your Xbox, you're ready to go. Gives you kind of a glimpse of how you'll look on Xbox. You're now going to be able to choose a color that'll kind of be your dashboard kind of theme. So I had already previously selected the blue, and I'm going to stick with that. I think it looked really well, even though the Xbox was green. I think the blue looked really well. You'll be greeted with kind of like this overview video, and I deleted it from this tutorial. You guys can watch it on your own there. I didn't want the video flagged or anything. You can go ahead and press the Xbox button to go to your home button, to your home screen there at any time. So you can always double tap that and access like your menu here or go to other features there. It's really laid out really well. This is the brand new Xbox One experience. We've done a separate video just focusing on this dashboard in specific, which would actually be a really good follow-up video if you've just watched the setup video, kind of break down exactly what's going on in that experience, you know, with the games and apps and how you download things and kind of an overview of where things are at. So that would be a really good supplement to this video. So we'll leave it linked down below. You'll probably see it annotated above as well. And for those, like if you got this options here on the side, you can still select all of your settings there. If you need to get back in and select something, you know, verify your network or verify your devices or your Kinect. And like I said, we've shown that in a separate video, so check it out. But this is kind of an overview on-screen tutorial, how to get that brand new Xbox One set up. But guys, this is Ryan Rigg, Fast Electronic and Loud. We always bring it to you fast, electronic, and of course loud. If you enjoyed the video, please click that thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel if you're not. Thanks for watching.